everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. And today's video is sponsored by a company called UpShoe. They sent me over a pair of running shoes to review, so I'm going to share that with you guys. I have a good friend of mine, and she's having a memorial dinner for two of her sisters that passed away. They celebrate it every year. So this year she asked me, because she knows I have a Cricut, if I could help her to make some little keepsake items that she can have her guests them at the dinner bring home after. So I said, sure, no problem. So I'm gonna come on and share you guys how I did those. So let's get into how I made the items for my friend's memorial dinner.
Alright, this is the vinyl that I'll be using. It's a gold iron-on vinyl and it's from HTV Rod. A nice gold color. And I got these 5x7 canvas that I got from the Dollar Tree. And two come in the pack, which is so convenient. And let me show you what they look like. This is one of them, all by themselves, 5x7. And then these are the frames that my friend gave me. They're also 5x7. The glass, the middle, the back piece. So we are going to use them for today's DIY. Okay, so this is design I got in Cricut Design Space. I went in there, I wrote out the words that she wanted me to do. And this is how it looks. I think I did pretty good. I like how it looks. So I sent it to my Cricut to be cut. And here is our image. I weeded it. And it's all weeded so nice and clear. All the letters are there. So now I'm going to use my HTV Rod auto press. And I'll be using it at a temperature of 310. And I'll be pressing each item for 10 seconds. So I pulled out the tray. So now I am just going to center our image onto our canvas.
She's so vibey, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving.
Just pressing on it a bit, trying to flatten it out. And now I'm just going to take my Teflon sheet and place over our iron-on. You can use, what do you call it? Butcher paper. If you don't have a Teflon sheet, you could use the butcher paper. So we're just going to slide it in. And press our iron on. Okay, so now it's finished. Just gonna pull it back out. And it is a cool peel, so I'll just let it cool off a bit before I take off the transfer sheet. Okay, now our image is all cool, and there we go. It just came off so nice. And there you go. Now I have a lot more to do, so I'm going to do some more. And then we'll do the next step of putting these pieces together. Okay, here is our image. And also, here is the 5x7 picture frame that she gave me. So I'm just going to take it apart. Take all the clips out the back. And now our glass piece, I'm just going to clean the inside. And then we're just going to put everything together. Just straighten it up. And then we're going to add back our clips. And there we go. I think it looks very nice. And it has a little thing at the back so you could have it stand up. Remember, this is how it looked before and this is how it looks now. So nice. And here is how some of them looked. I did 6 pieces to share with you guys. I have a lot more to do, but I'm just showing you these 6. I think they look very nice. I love how they look so far, even though I have more to do. So I'm going to take a minute and show you what I got from UpShoe. Alright everyone, here are the shoes. And they come in this box, and in the box it has a paper with their Instagram, their WhatsApp, their website. And here are the runners. And they are the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire in red. I love how they look. Look at the detail on these runners. I love the mesh that they have at the front, at the sides, and they have black behind the mesh. And here you have the Nike Air at the back, the logo. And inside it's all red. I love the black, the red, and the white, how everything just ties in together. They look so nice. And I think my daughter called these kicks, Nike kicks. I don't know what that is, but that's what she called them. And I love the little basketball, the little guy at the front of the tongue part. I think they look very nice. And here they are on my feet. They are so comfy. And don't they look cute? Oh, I love it. I think they look so nice. Very nice and stylish for the fall. Fall weather we're heading into now. They'll keep your feet warm. And they are very nice. UpShoe has a lot of different kind of running shoes on their site, and their prices are very reasonable. So I'm going to leave the link below, and I also have a discount code for you guys. Yeah, DIY, and you get $15 off your purchase. Like I was saying, UpShoe has a lot of reasonable and nice items on their site, so I'll leave the link below so you guys can go click on it, go over and check out what they have. And if you're purchasing something, don't forget to use my discount code. Alright, you guys, let's continue with today's DIYs. For my next DIY, I'll be using some of this vinyl. And I just went into Cricut Design Space, got the image, which is the praying hands, made it to the size I want for my container. And this is the glass vase that I will be using. Got it from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some of these mirror tiles in silver, and I'll also be using some in gold. So they have the self-adhesive on the back of the mirrors. So I'm just going to take them off and lay them going right around the bottom part of our vase. And now I'll be doing the same thing with the gold strips. Okay, so now that's all done. I'm going to be using some of this rubbing alcohol to clean off the surface of our vase. And here is our praying hands that we did on the Cricut. So I'm just gonna center it as best as possible. And then we just lay it down, smooth it out. And now I'm just gonna use the scraper and burnish it onto our surface. And then we're just going to remove the transfer tape. There we go. I think it looks lovely. And here is our finished vase with some flowers inside. I love how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely lovely. And I do believe it is the perfect fit for the theme of the evening. And here we go with both our pieces together. I think they will look lovely on the table of her event that she's having, her memorial dinner in honor of her two sisters. And I added flowers inside the vase, but you could also use floating candles. So if she wants, she can add floating candles to her vases, or she could use it with flowers. Either way, it will look lovely on her tables. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's 2 DIYs. So anyways, that's all your girls got for you. I gotta go and do a whole bunch more. So pray for me, please. Just like the praying hands, say a prayer for your girl. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.